Good morning. Because I'm on spring break and I have a little bit of time, that I would rod my hair again. Back here I have some magnetic rollers. That's just because I was running out of rods. As I was rodding my hair, I realized that I could make a video. I left this one out since I'd made this decision a little late. I left this one out so I could show you exactly what I did. So I just took a little bit of water, and this water also contains a little bit of mousse. So it's really diluted mousse. More water than mousse. Really misted it. It's not really wet, just a little bit damp. I took my rod, I smoothed my end on the rod. I'm just rolling it down. And that's what I did with all the rods. And I'm hoping that this comes out beautifully because I'm going to wear it today. And I know it shouldn't take that long to dry because it's not really that wet. So this is what I've done. I'm going to show you all of the rods in my hair. I'll take these rods out later. I think what I'm going to do is a little mini series on how my hair look with rods, and I'll probably take some magnetic rods like this and rod it all over, see the effect on my Sisterlocs. And then I'll probably use sponge rollers to see the effect on my Sisterlocs. Those are the three things that I'm going to do. And of course, there's Bantu knots or just the different styles. Because it doesn't take that long to do whatever I need to do with my hair. I am really, really loving it. I also need to let you know how many locks I have. So, I have a few things I can share with you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment. Please let me know how long you've had your Sisterlocs. Are you considering Sisterlocs? Right underneath this video on YouTube. I'll be back in a few minutes. I'll let you know how long it took for it to dry so you can see how this style comes out. I am going to go ahead and take these rods out of my hair. I have a wonderful friend that's coming over to spend some time with me. This week we lost a co-worker, and I thought I was doing really well, but I'm not. But I think whatever I'm going through is normal because she was so wonderful to me. And I know if she was wonderful to me, then she was wonderful to a whole lot of other people. I am going to do this as quickly as possible because I'm taking my hair out, and I thought I was taking it out early. It's been about 45 minutes maybe since I've had it in. The wonderful thing that I keep telling myself is this, that even though she is gone, I still have that blessed hope that I will see her again. I keep telling myself that I'll see her again.
I think I'm running out. Yeah, just about out of it. Okay.
Oh yeah, it's taken me, has taken me 5 minutes, almost 6 minutes to do. Taking the rods out, styling the hair. And I know that tomorrow it's going to be an even better look because my curls are going to drop some. I'm going to like it even more. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Tell me what you think about this rod set. Would you do it? And do you think it's a good idea that I do another video using another means of curling my hair? Thank you for watching. I'm a sister that loves her locks. Thank you.